Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and today I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Duolingo streak for free. So in order to fix this issue, first of all, let's understand what it actually means. So Duolingo streaks for free means that you can maintain a continuous daily practice streaks on the Duolingo language learning app without having to pay for a minimum subscription. Now essentially you can keep up for your learning consistency and track your progress by completing lessons daily without any extra cost. So similarly, if you want to fix it, then you could go ahead and make sure to check for automatic repairs. Sometimes if you miss a lesson without a short time frame, Duolingo may automatically repair your streaks. So for that, what you could also do is when you're actually learning a lesson, let's say you could go ahead and change your date and time to the previous one that you had missed out. So you want to go to settings first of all and make sure to change your date and time. When you go to settings here, you could go to display. This particular interface depends on the particular feature. So this interface depends on a particular device or the version that you're using on. So you might be able to find it on system as well. So go ahead and make sure to change your date. Make sure to toggle the button for use network provided time, and also make sure to toggle the button for automated zone or network provide time zone as well. Once you do it, so you should be able to fix it. So if not, you could also try updating the application. If you've not updated the application in a while, then you could go to your Play Store, and on the search box you want to go ahead and type in Duolingo. And when you go to Duolingo here, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have to update or not. If you see update, that means you have to update it, and it should be able to fix the issue as well. If not, you could also go ahead and make sure to clear cache as well as data. So for that, you want to go to your application or long press on it and click on app info. As soon as you do it, so what next you want to do is you want to go to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so just leave it as it is. Then you could go ahead and see whether you are able to solve or not. If not, then try uninstalling the application, at the same time reinstall it, and then what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure to restart your device at the same time. That will be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are the ways to fix and solve Duolingo streak for free. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.